All right, so here's our content. Now there are a couple of differences between this and our wireframe. Let's pull up the wireframe. So we have the title, and then requirements shows up at the top. Down here, requirements is at the bottom, and the requirements label is above instead of in line with the content. The description shows up at the top and it doesn't have a label. And then the submitted by admin shows up, but it doesn't show up in the wireframe. So let's change how this is laid out. Here's where we want to go for that. I'm going to go to Structure, Content Types, Tour Type, and then Manage Display. Now there's a few different ways to get here. If we go to the Content Types page and we see our content type, we can click the drop-down button here and select Manage Display and get to the same page. So first, let's take care of our requirements. So requirements says the label is above. Let's change the label to inline and let's move it above the description. Let's save it and let's open up our tour type page in a different tab. I'm going to go to Content, and this lists all of our content that we've created, and I'm going to click the title of the content we just created, Extreme Snorkeling. Okay, so now we have requirements above the description and the label is inline. So that looks good. Let's take care of the description here. I'm going to go back to Manage Display, and in description, we want to show the label as above, and that should do it. Let's click Save. Let's refresh our Extreme Snorkeling page. Okay, so we have requirements and then description, and so this is looking good. The spacing is a bit off, but that's something that we need to take care of with CSS or cascading style sheets, and that's typically something our themer will do, though we'll look at how to add CSS to our site a little bit later.